Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back here again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a Skoda Superb 2018-19 Skoda Superb, and we're going to go ahead and replace the oil filter and engine oil. I'm out of breath here. Oil filter, engine oil replacement. Let's go, let's do it. It's a 1.6 diesel. I've done them in the past on VW Golfs, Skoda Octavias, VW Passats, pretty much similar. We're going to go ahead and replace it on the Skoda Superb 1.6 diesel. Let's go. I'm sorry about the noise in the background, but the first thing what we're going to do is, obviously I've got the heater going on one side, as you can see there, and I've got the compressor going on the other side, so I'm sorry about the noise. What we'll do is we'll take the dipstick out, take the cap off, and then we'll send the car up on the ramp. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Christmas is coming and everything, you don't want the car falling on you, mess your holidays up. So anyway, yeah, send it up and we'll go from there. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this massive cover off. We've done it hundreds of times before, so basically Torx 25 all the way around. And around the back here, I think the Torx 50. Take them three off, take these off all the way around the cover. Let's go. Okay, before you guys slag me off, I forgot to mention this. The back ones, I know I said Torx 50. It's not Torx 50 or 55 or whatever, it's Torx 40. I've already took them off. So all we do now is give that a little tug and give me a minute. Okay, so we took the cover off. Obviously I had to get two hands on it because I had these little clips on the cover, so I had to just bend them down. No worries, you guys have seen me do it hundreds of times before, so take the cover off. Main objective is take the cover off. What we're going to do now is two ways to do it. Either you can do the oil filter first, then do the oil, or do the oil first, drain the oil, and do the filter. Entirely up to you what you want to do. I would recommend we drain the oil, leave it draining for a bit, okay, and we'll do the filter next. Okay, so let's do that. 19 milli spanner, socket, whatever you got. Let's take that off and we'll go from there. Draining out. As you can see there, I've made a mess and everything, sorry about that, but yeah, it's draining out, let that drip and everything. We'll go around to this side here and basically move this out of the way. Okay guys, there we have it. There's the oil filter there. Okay, the cap actually. So 32 mil socket, that's what I've got on there, 32 mil. And we're gonna go ahead and take that off counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. Take that off. Obviously the oil's gonna come out, as you can see there. So don't make a mess everywhere. So yeah, take that off and we'll go from there. Okay, so there's the oil filter cap. What we're going to do is take the seals off, put the new seals on, and yeah, oil filter's there. Let's get it on. Let's go. Right, so there we have it. I've got the new oil filter cap and everything on there. The new oil filter in there. Just tighten up. If you want to go all professional and everything, then obviously 25 Newton meters. I'm not going to bother with the torque wrench. I've got the ratchet, extension, socket on there. Just going to give it some with that. Tighten up on there. Get the sun plug back on. And that's about it. Let's go. Okay, this next bit, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I mean, if the old one is alright, then I would just put the old one on, you know, try it. But I've got a new plug here, sun plug. Just put the new sun plug back on. If the old one is alright, comes off nice and everything, you don't have to. But normally on these, what it is, these washers, when it's like a one-time use kind of thing. Once you crush it, they obviously crush basically. It's like a crush washer, and then when you come to retighten it up again, it goes loose. So I would recommend it for the sake of £5, maximum £10. Just go ahead and change that, replace that as well, put a new one, renew that one. Put a new one on, and then yeah, I'm gonna send it down, put the cover back on, send it down, fill it up with oil. Let's go. We've done everything underneath, put the cover back on, we've put the oil filter back on, sun plug, everything's tight. Got the oil here, it comes in a box, cardboard box, obviously saving the planet and everything. So yeah, that's the oil we're gonna use. Let's get some oil in there. As for the oil, the quantity, I would recommend, I know so many people out there, oh, they put 3.5, 3.6. Just check it on the dipstick. That's what I would recommend. Just check it on the dipstick. But I think on these they take the full 5 litres, or at least 4.8 litres. But I would still recommend you put 3 litres in, check it on the dipstick, and go accordingly. Right, let's open this up. I don't know how it opens up, but push here to remove whatever. Push gently. There we go, that comes off. Get rid of that, and then I think we get rid of that bit here. I don't know what's happening here, but yeah, something like that. It's absolutely disaster, pathetic. It's alright for the environmental friendly people out there, but then you can lock that on there, and that's about it. But I would suggest one thing: when you go to pouring it in there, just be careful. It comes out in one go. I've done that before, and it went down there instead of going in here. Anyway, let's get some oil in there, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I put the oil in there, all 5 litres of it. I've had the car running, so we're going to check it on the dipstick. Another thing is, what I've mentioned this before, the limit on this, the level on this, it's not there. Okay, don't go filling it up to there, because so many of my customers, they fill it up to there. As you can see there, it's got a little, like 2 little notches there. One there, that's the minimum, and that's the maximum, right? You want to go to about there or thereabouts. Do not go to that there, because that is way over the top. Okay, so let's get the dipstick in there. They are a little bit terrible, these dipsticks. They break. Now, as you can see there, I think mine is absolutely bang on. The level is absolutely perfect. That's it, job done. Well, that is it guys, all done and dusted. As for the oil, it does take 5 litres. I would say put 5 litres in it, because they give a box and it's got 5 litres in the box, so put the whole thing in. This is a Skoda Superb 1.6 diesel, 2018 plate. So yeah, it'll take the full 5 litres. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.